Hi, I'm Jane. I'm a longtime volunteer and board member here at Earthdance.
And I'm Wink Davis. I'm the orchard specialist at Earthdance. And we're here today to talk about what we are calling the linear food forest, which is to say that we can grow different tiers of crops, food crops, and also crops to encourage the microbes and the insects in the orchard. And then the top story, which is the fruit trees, and so it's and we are doing that in a linear fashion here because we can intercept the runoff when you have a major rain event, and this is kind of built up in this berm, and we keep it built up so the water backs up against that and goes into the soil, and so that's one reason we have the linear configuration. Also, the trees are, unlike a conventional orchard where the trees are all near each other and together, we have them spread out so that it's much harder for disease and pests to get from one tree to the next. And so we can spread out the orchard. We can grow crop in the shade and also in the spaces between the trees, and use the space we have much better. It doesn't necessarily have to be linear. If you did it in your backyard, you might space them out. But still, the idea is to mimic the forest edge ecology, which is vibrant with life and the soils. So, and for a lot of technical reasons we can talk about, but so here we have, this is comfrey. We put it in, we grow it around the base of the tree to cut it down and mulch it. This is chicory. Go ahead, Jane. Yeah.
Milkweed to attract butterflies right here.
The butterflies are pollinators.
And throughout the berms we have rhubarb,
strawberries.
You could also use currants or gooseberries, especially when you're first growing your orchard. They're smaller and they're going to be quicker growing until your fruit trees are up to speed. And another thing that we do here at Earthdance is we prune our trees, which you could also do at home. You could hire someone to come help you or do a tutorial online. So we don't want them to be too high so that you can harvest the fruit.